The Phoenix is a mythical bird that burns and is reborn from the ashes. Fortunately for Phoenix, Arizona, the Suns have not followed that trajectory. The team has been remarkably consistent, posting 19 seasons of 50 or more wins. Better break out the SPF 30, because if anyone's gonna feel the burn today, it's you.
So, you see the moves? Yeah, we got some legendary players on the court today.
Taking it back. Shook his man. Crawford. Blocked again. Brick house going up. He had the first score and an extra point to go with it. Johnson. Chambers. The cursed lottery pick makes things fun. Watch those guys struggle. Controlling the glass with a grab and pass. You can't miss those. KG. Get that weak stuff out of here. You can't miss those. Clang. Aggressive rebounding.
I'm at to call this team right here win that. Because they wiping the glass.
The rebound and kick out to his teammate. Controlling the glass with the grab and pass. Crossed him up.
And this is why I love basketball. You can be down 1 minute and up the other.
Splash! Defense is running down that shot clock. Smack! Go home! Johnson. Mark it for two.
1 more minute to get it done. You better get this done.
Chambers. Streak. The shot clock lottery pick isn't flashy, but it is useful. His aim was off there. Crawford. He eats the glass. You've got to shoot first and ask questions later with the shot clock pick in effect. He grabs the rebound and kicks it out. The defense is out of control. The attempt goes wide. Super streak. Oh, smack! Go home. He eats the glass.
Hey, you! Wake up! Shot clock!